guys, we are out of California and crossing into Arizona. Let's go. All right, so I just want to show you guys here. Nothing happened. We're going to get food. We're gonna go try Culver's here in Arizona, but this airbag system is phenomenal. So just so you guys know, I left the house. I didn't really do much with the airbags when I first left, but when I checked them at the gas station, when we were pretty much in Arizona, they were at 25 pounds, I guess, or 25 PSI just from putting the trailer on it. And then we aired them up. It kind of felt a little bit mushy in the back. I aired them up to 40, and you guys can see my truck. It's pretty much dead flat. It might even have like the stock rake in it right now, but the trailer is sitting awesome, and this thing drives like a dream, but I'll talk more about that in a minute. So we're gonna check this spot out. There's a ton of people lined up for this, so let's see if it's any good. All right, Amanda bailed on that project. We were gonna get it, and she said, let's go Whataburger. I don't know, it kind of looked like a Dairy Queen to me. There's like a lot of ice cream and a little bit of food, so we didn't want to risk it. We don't have a bathroom that we can actively use on this road trip.
Oh my god.
I better say Whataburger. I'm beating somebody's ass. Let's go. Oh, we picnicking. Is it any good?
Yes, and they're fresh.
Better than McDonald's?
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's it. You're not gonna be allowed on this channel.
What? He knows Boosted coming his way.
Mustang, thanks. Let's hear it. Rev it up. So we decided to go northeast out of Phoenix on this alternate route that goes up to I-40. And
turn off the lights.
We're in the absolute middle of nowhere through the mountains. Like, check out how dark this is. You can't even like see your hand in front of your face. That is crazy.
Do it again.
No, that is like,
What?
look. Nothing. Absolute darkness. Okay, so right now we're in Payson, is what it's called. I wanted to update you guys though on the transmission. This thing has been shifting flawlessly. I know we're only partway through, I don't want to jinx it, but that quick learn that we did at the dealership definitely improved all those hard shifts. We haven't felt one aggressive downshift for the 5 or 6 hours, or I guess we've been driving for at least like 6 or 7 hours now, but I haven't felt one aggressive downshift. Didn't find or feel any aggressive downshifts without the trailer. With the trailer, everything is just buttery smooth, as if it's like almost like a brand new transmission now. So very good that way. I also think we're getting way better fuel mileage ever since I put more air in the bags. Too early to tell, but I'm definitely going to keep an eye on it. And we're back in the middle of nowhere. We're going to head on to I-40 from Payson right now. We're just in the middle of nowhere. Another thing I want to update you guys on is that camera we installed in the trailer. A lot of people were wondering, how we would see in the trailer. I just turn the lights on that are inside the interior of the trailer. It's just 2 lights, and I can turn this thing on or off. It seems to, the power inverter for it seems to kind of make some interference with the microphone on my camera, but you can turn it on or off, and if I hit it on, I don't have it mounted, but just so you guys get an idea, you can see bright as a day in there. I don't know if you guys can see all that, but that's all the contents of the trailer just sitting there, and it's pitch black out right now. So, pretty good. Definitely happy with this. I'll link this in the description below. I showed you guys in the last video the quick install of it, but definitely handy. We can see all the stuff in the trailer, make sure nothing moved. Well, we crashed out here last night and went to bed around 2 at 6:44. Let's get back on the road. Okay, so we went and grabbed food, and if you guys can believe it, New Mexico still has the mask mandate. They made us put this on just to order food. Pretty stupid, but here, just keep that just in case. We didn't even have masks. I don't even know if we have masks in this car. Even California doesn't have a mask mandate, but New Mexico, You guys are tripping. All right, food and then back on the road. The Ram towing, but he's all sacked out in the back. He needs some airbags. Hopefully he watches this channel.
Oh my god.
Something's on fire. Oh. Transport truck. Smoking real good. We're leaving New Mexico. Can only mean one thing. And that one thing must mean we're in Texas, where you automatically get an accent. Let's go. Alright guys, well it's going to be a wrap for this video. We got in late last night, ended up just parking the trailer, getting everything disconnected, and now I'm about to fly back to California to go and get the SRT-10. So I will document that video with you guys. As far as how everything worked, we ended up towing with the airbags. Those things helped tremendously. It helped with stability. It leveled the truck out more, even with the weight distribution hitch. It even helped with that. So it made the truck feel a lot more planted, and even with the weight distribution hitch before, when you hit like big bumps, it would kind of like, I don't know what the best word to describe it would be, kind of like wallop. Like the back would kind of like bounce a few times, but now it feels solid, it feels planted. In my opinion, it feels a little bit more like a 2500 in the rear. It's just a little bit more of a solid like thud when you hit bumps. So highly recommend that mod. It was cool too. I didn't really film it. I'll film it on the next time that I use it, but we stopped at a fuel station and the truck was a little bit sacked out in the back, and then I hooked it up to the air pump. I had to pay for air, unfortunately. I had an air pump, but I'm gonna have to get a different one so that I can actually get to the back, because the air pump I have, it'll reach to the tires, but the cord isn't long enough to go around to the back of the truck. So I had to pay for air, and when I hooked it up, you could physically, like, just when I hit it, even with a few pounds, you see the whole back of the truck just pop up. It was pretty cool to see, and that's with a ton of weight loaded into that trailer. So pretty cool to see. Other than that, transmission worked way better. It didn't make any issues the whole way, so definitely do that relearn. I'll be doing a separate video just to document that for myself and for others. If you're having issues with transmission shifting, I would definitely go get one of those quick learns from the dealership, or I'll also show you guys how to do it with Alpha OBD. That's pretty much it for this video. So we're here in Texas, everything worked out good, so we kind of just burned it, came all the way here, but I'll keep you guys documented. I'm about to get ready, get out of this motel and go and catch a flight. So thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you guys enjoy this type of content. A lot of crazy stuff along the way. I'm excited for what's to come. It's going to be kind of random, but should be pretty fun. So thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.